Hello everyone, my name is Tin. Today I will show you how to monetize a niche. Now, how to monetize basically an Instagram niche, and monetization of Instagram niches, it really depends, For example, I will give you two examples. Now, first will be fitness influencer, and second will be actually a business influencer, so something that, like something like I do on Instagram. And okay, so right now we are here on my whiteboard as usual. You know how it goes. So first of all, F will be for fitness. Let me just go with thick lines. Let me just pick it up like here. We'll make it fourth. So F is fitness influencer. Now, what fitness influencer really can offer, a lot of things. You would be surprised. So you can offer training programs. Now, this would be a training program, and it could be a nutrition program. If you can, you can do it separate, or you can do just training program as well. You will earn from promotions, of course. Other fitness influencers will go on your page and promote on your page. Now, the second thing, you can actually have a separate nutrition plan. So separate nutrition plan, you can have your own blog where you teach others how to get fit and how to actually, how to actually get fit and all that. I don't know what fitness influencers really do, but I know that, they do fitness stuff. So you can, again, you can do how much, you can do whatever you want in this niche, basically. So as we have training plans, we have promotions, we have nutrition plans, we have blog. You can also do clients. You can have clients that you will make fit. So for example, you can have one-on-one coaching. You can have consultation about about your diet, about your like health. What should I do to improve that and this? You can do it like that. And there are a lot of different variables to this, but this is something that is on top of my head, so I can really, you can really think about it, and yeah, I mean, this is it. This is how you would earn your money. I would suggest to go and again, connect your niche to a YouTube channel like I did, or to Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever you want. If you're a client-based business, be sure to go on LinkedIn. It's also a really good way to. And also, if you're a B2B business, business to business, business to client, you can go on LinkedIn and see and search for our business owners. And again, you can acquire customers there. So yeah, so this is just for this niche. Now, for my niche, I have here a picture that I did. This is a picture from Drive Towards Success, my Instagram page. And what I did is, I will a little bit, make it like this. So what I did is, this is for the fitness. Again, I made a fitness right here, but right now you will see more about fitness niche in general. So you can set up a blog. As I said, you can write blog articles. You can create a website where you will sell different kind. You can create e-commerce website where you can basically sell everything. Sell diet plans, sell nutrition plans and all that. So e-commerce with this fitness niche is really good. What I have one really good page that one of my friends on social media made. So it's called Simply Shredded, and they did incredible job. Now they're really long in the fitness game and in the fitness industry, but what they did is they created a brand from their page, and now they have actually simplyshredded.com, which is e-commerce website, as you can see. And they're selling a lot of guides, they're selling shred programs, they're selling a lot of programs. So yeah, and again, they're selling books, a lot of books, as you can see right here, all about fitness and fitness industry. As you can see, they have also pretty affordable 12-week shred transformation pack for men. And yeah, you can do it like that. You can sell, again, nutrition and diet plans. Now, Creating a YouTube channel is also good. A lot of people did that. Again, you can sell diet plans. I already did that. I already said that. Become a personal trainer. You can actually, yeah, become one-on-one personal trainer and train other people online and, you know, in your local gyms. You can also sell affiliate products you believe in. Don't just sell, you know, something that you don't believe in. You can create an Instagram page, which is, of course, if you're in the niche, you will have to start somewhere, you know. So creating a Instagram page is, you know, essential. Let's say if you're starting from Instagram page, you can create everything around this. So you can create, you know, you can build a sales funnel, and in that funnel you can create a course about fitness, and you know, that's about it. You know, there are a lot of different plans how you can go about it. So let's say back to the drawing board. Let's say we delete this all. Let me just clear this off. And let's say we're doing for business niche. Now, business niche on Instagram, this is B. Let's say this is B. I know it's not perfect, but yeah. So business niche can sell, for example, how to grow an Instagram page. You can sell basically a course, C for the course. You can sell consultation, CO for consultations. You can sell promotions, you know, like everyone else. You can sell, you know, you can sell one-on-one coaching also, coaching calls and all that. And you can, again, connect to your YouTube and all that other social media. So courses are really good. If you can make a course that's really affordable, you would definitely earn money on it. I'm currently making a course for $7 per month, which is not that expensive, and everyone can afford it. So I think, you know, a lot of what you do depends. You know, you can either go with course, you can go with ebooks also. That's what I didn't mention. So ebooks, E for ebooks, and you can go again for, you know, $5-7 ebooks and all that. You can go even for more ebooks. If you have like a really thick ebook, you can sell that for like $50 or something like that. You can sell consultation call for $100 right here for $100. And yeah, so my writing is horrible. So I mean, you can do it like that. So yeah, I think I pretty much said everything that, you know, you have to know in order to monetize a niche on Instagram and on any platform at all. So yeah, guys, I think, you know, I got it. Check out what other people are doing. You know, check out Simply Shredded if you want a fitness page. Check them out and see what they're doing. As you can see, they're doing pretty incredible job. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you you know, you learned something new. I will do more and more this type of videos, so be sure to stick around my channel, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.